So you're interested in potentially reupholstering one of your older pieces of furniture. Here at the La-Z-Boy store, we get questions about reupholstery all the time. But in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the potential costs you would see in reupholstery, how you could potentially do it yourself, or if you're not feeling up to that, how to find someone to hire to do it for you. Here at the La-Z-Boy store, we get asked about reupholstering recliners a lot. People come in and they tell us, oh, I've had my chair for 30 years and it still works great, but the fabric choice leaves a little to be desired. You are able to reupholster your chairs. However, the cost of that can range anywhere from around $400 to $1,000. And at that cost, you can really buy a brand new recliner for yourself or whoever, because most of the time our recliners for our sales run around $399 and up. So you just have to decide whether or not you know what that piece means to you. And if it does mean a lot, which sometimes they can, then you do have the capability of reupholstering it yourself if you'd like to. In the case that you do have a very sentimental piece of furniture or recliner that you really wish to keep in the family, but want to give it a new look, you can DIY reupholstering your chair. It is a very daunting task, however, and plan to spend at least a few days, if not a week or two, reupholstering your chair. Because not only does it cost around $200 to $500 for your tools, your fabric, all of that, but you have to think about unstitching, you have to replace the cushions, you have to make patterns for the fabric and figure out how it's going to lay on the chair and make sure that everything is put back the way it's supposed to be. And because of that, that's why we recommend, if you want to keep your piece, to hire somebody to redo it to make sure that that sentimental piece of furniture looks just as good as it does before you did this. If you're determined to keep that sentimental piece of furniture in your family, but don't feel like you can reupholster it yourself, then you certainly can hire someone to help you out. I would recommend checking out places like Angie's List, Home Advisor, or even Google to help you get some preliminary ideas as to how much it's going to cost and what the whole process is like. I would probably get at least 3 or 4 quotes to make sure, and some photos to make sure everything is done properly. Unfortunately, La-Z-Boy does not reupholster any furniture. However, if you want to come check us out at any of our La-Z-Boy home furnishings and decor in the Southeast, especially the Charlotte, North Carolina store, I'd love to help you pick out a new chair that can bring new memories to your home. And if you have any other ideas or questions, please hit the subscribe button down below. Check us out, all of our other videos, and come in and see me.